Good evening, dear friends. My name is Vasily, RN6 Lima Hotel Foxtrot. Today I'll tell you about ExpertRemoteSystem, our new remote control system. I can say it's a new generation of ExpertRemoteSystem control. It's based on cloud system, and we will talk about it today. I'll show you how it works, how it can be assembled in your case, and I'll show you all benefits of this solution, and I think it will be interesting. Please stay here on my channel, and we'll see what's new in this way. Okay, as you know, our beta version of ExpertRemoteSystem control was made, I think, was released about 2 or 3 years ago. It used a direct connection between remote point and your local point, and you should create connection. You can use you can use static IP address. You should use it on a remote site or local site, or you should use VPN channel between your remote point and local point. And many people has problems with it because all you and I'm also I'm not a programmer, and I'm not a network engineer, and it's hard for me, and it's a real issue to create a VPN channel, or maybe to get a static IP address on a remote site, because it's 3G connection and LTE maybe, and not all providers can give you static IP address. And we thinking about it many times, and we think about other systems like cloud system from Flex radio systems, or other types of connection, internet connection between remote points and between different points. And we found a new interesting way. It's cloud system, but with direct connection between remote and local points. I can show you its simple view. I'll show you it on simple picture. For example, it's a cloud. It's a cloud system which placed on any server, internet server, center of data centers on the other, anywhere in the internet. You are here. It's your PC, for example, PC. Your remote radio, something here with antenna, and your RX, for example, like Calibri Nano in my case now, and I'll show you how it works. And we have any internet connection between cloud and the remote point, between cloud and your local site. You have any account in the cloud system, and your radio will register it before using in the cloud system. Your client software like ExpertReoteSystem also will be registered in the cloud system, like just set login and a password, and you can use it. This is a cloud. And when you open this cloud like this, you just now in this case I'll show you web version of remote control. This is just start page. Smart cloud special for you. Our programmers are just funny, just for fun. ExpertRemoteSystem will be here, but now smart cloud specially for you. Put your email, your password, and login. And now you're inside the system, and you can see your radios, which stay in anywhere in different countries, different cities, locations. And now we can see 2 Calibre receivers, which placed in our office in the different places, and you can use any devices which connected to your profile, to your account. And now, for example, I just press connect to the first Calibre receiver and press go. And I'm here, maybe not, maybe other radio, yes. Yeah. I have one radio connected to VHF antenna and second radio connected to HF antenna, and now we have radio which can listen, receive. This is a local Russian air. Maybe something here. You can listen. This is a normal radio operation from remote receiver via web interface. You can see this picture again. As I said before, we have connection via cloud, and we can see it, but when you press go, radio starts send traffic via internet to your local site directly without cloud system. And this is direct connection gives you very small delay between real receiving and listening. And direct connection between remote site and your local site gives you very small delay and stable work. I'll show you. In the low left side or corner, you can see the ping time 3 milliseconds, cloud ping 7 milliseconds. It means that direct connection faster and gives you real receiving, real delays like from normal radio on your table, maybe on some other connection type direct. You can see audio delay 350 milliseconds. It's depend on drivers and other settings like HGC and other filter tabs and different settings. This is a web client. Today we tried to show you ExpertReoteSystem software like remote client software, but some technical troubles, issues kill our idea for today, and I'll show you it next time in the next streams. But it also works on other computers, other PCs, but on our studio computer, Studio PC. It's just not works, but it's test versions, and I sure next time I'll show you how it works client software, real client software, and I planning to work in there via remote control system soon, and I hope you to make a QSO with all you, if it's possible via maybe 80-40 meters band, which antenna I have, and it will be very interesting. We plan to use different types of server software which used on a remote site. It's server software for Raspberry Pi computer, small PC. It's Windows version for server computers. Any computers under Windows can be used as a remote server station with any radios connected to this station. Also in our plans to release Linux version of remote server, it can be used. One second. 1, 2, 3. And yes, and I'll show you how it works next time. Client software. 1 second. And today you can ask me about something about ExpertRemoteSystem, and now it's under testing now, and I hope next month we will have some beta versions of software, and we will try it, and I hope we will all you also can try it, but with any server software, because many people ask us to create server software for Raspberry Pi, and other ask about Linux versions of server software, and in the end of Windows version, it's not excellent idea for remote point computer under Windows, but we have a remote PC on a remote site for remote control. Our previous version of ExpertRemoteSystem, it works under Windows 10 without any problems. It auto starts when power supply switched on, and there are no any issues with it. Good afternoon. Does the cloud have a cost to users? I think it will be some small fee per year, maybe $20, maybe less, plus minus, and it will available in this case. Yes, somebody hear noises. Somebody, I'll check. Please wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No noises here. Yes, I'm I also monitor it. My signal all is clear, and now we can go next. And This remote system is, I think it's a new word in the remote control, because it's provide direct connection between remote site and between your local point, and this direct connection works more stable, because for example, as I know, for example, flex radio systems used also cloud system also, but all traffic goes through cloud, via cloud, and it takes time and gives you a delay. And I know guys who use remote control for flex radio from Moscow to a city in the region. I think with distance about 200 kilometers, and traffic goes through United States here and back, and it takes about 800 milliseconds. It's a big delay in our mind. It should take some more than network delay, and now in our case it will take about hundreds, 200s, up to 300 milliseconds, no more, and we will try to decrease it less and less, and it will be good if audio delay will be some more than network delay. Dear friends, I think you have already got the questions. When do you expect to release ExpertReoteSystem 3? We have now ExpertReoteSystem 3 version, and now we're testing it inside the company, our company. We already finished all main functions from ExpertReoteSystem 3 software. Now we working under TCI interface. We finished in, I think, maybe next week. Our programmer will finish TCI interface, and at the same time other programmer working under TCI client software. It's like a bridge between TCI ExpertReoteSystem 3 software and the classical devices under comparts, audio devices, and software, loggers, digital modes software, because many I think most of all software used and have classical interfaces like comparts, audio devices for input-output data, audio from radio to radio in TX mode, and just I think 10, maybe some more software has TCI interface for connection, for direct connection to ExpertReoteSystem 3, and all these software can connect directly. But other software, other devices like PAs, like maybe antenna switches based on comparts and other interface, small boxes, control boxes, band decoders, and other which used comparts can use this TCI bridge. I think maybe in 1-2 weeks we will finish this bridge, and we'll release test alpha version for software developers of loggers, contest logs, digital modes software like JTDX, as you know. JTDX added TCI interface for direct connection without comparts and virtual virtual audio cables. And after feedback from software developers, we will release it for beta testers. I think it will be in the first part of April. Please watch my channel. I will give you fresh news and about it. I will try to release some videos or streams every week and gives you fresh info. And also please watch our website and the news on it. Today in my plans was a short stream about cloud system remote control. If you have any more questions, please ask me, and I'll answer you. Android application will use the same idea of direct connection RX to phone via cloud. Yes, because signal processing in the ExpertReoteSystem software takes many time from CPU, and I think Android devices cannot work with all algorithms from ExpertReoteSystem 3 or the ExpertReoteSystem 2, and cannot get fast traffic of IQ stream with high resolution 24 bits, and it can use just slow traffic already demodulated and finished for playing and traffic for control radio. And I think Android's applications and iOS applications and other mobile applications will use remote control. Also, you can use a web version like this and use it for remote operation. As I know, there are some issues with the microphone using for web applications, but as I know, it also can be used with some adjustments in the operational system, but it's possible to use web version for real working there. But in my mind, it's not so comfortable because you should connect some logger or other features, and it's more comfortable to use ExpertReoteSystem 3. And we will create applications, client applications like ExpertReoteSystem 3 for all mobile platforms, and it will use ExpertRemoteSystem. Thank you for answer, very clear. Looking forward to play with the new software. Yes, I'm hope and I sure it will available in April, maybe first part, maybe in the middle, and it will be interesting for all us because I play to work in air, to spend more time for it, and I hope we can make a QSO with you. For sure for European countries, but for US countries too, maybe when I will use my remote position, which under construction now, and I hope in April, May we will finish it. And here is a very, very clear noises, clear air, no noises, and it's really clear air and signals. And my friends from the same QTH has QSOs with the US in the SSB in 40 meters delta antenna without any problems. Just 1 kilowatt output power, and all is well. Hi Roman, missed you, sorry. I guess Gary. Hi Gary, it's Vasily RN6 LHF. I will transfer your hello to Roman, and maybe he'll see this video after stream, and they'll see it. Dear friends, thank you very much for your time. Sorry for small delay for today. I just tried to show you ExpertReoteSystem software as client software. It works on other computers in our office, but not this studio PC. Thanks for the stream, Vasily. Keep up the good works. Thank you very much. And see you on Facebook. See you on this on the comments under my videos. If you not subscribe it to my YouTube channel, please do it and press to the ring, because you will get answers and information about new videos and new streams first, and without any issues and delays. I'm on my phone, tiny screen, and I'm old. Gary, okay. It's all your phone. Dear friends, have a good weekend, have a good evening. I wish you health, and see you on my channel next time. I hope next week. I will be in a local trip next week, but I will try to use remote control, cloud remote control, and I'll try to use on my laptop ExpertReoteSystem 3 as client software, and at the same time I'll try to make a stream in YouTube from other country, from other city, from the north of Russia. I'm planning to to drive to St. Petersburg, and we'll make a stream from here. See you next week. Thank you very much. Here was Vasily, RN6 LHF. Bye bye, 73.